Hello kids, let's learn some colors name. Pink color, green color, black color, orange color, red color, light green color, purple color, brown color, sky blue color, violet color, dark blue color, yellow color. Today we are trying to learn some alphabets. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. D. D for duck. M. M for monkey. Q. Q for question. Y. Y for yam. B. B for books. N. N for nature. P. P for peace. Z. Z for zero. G. G for grapes. K. K for king. S. S for shop. V. V for violin. A. A for ant. L. L for lotus. T. T for tiger. X. X for X-ray. E. E for elephant. H. H for hat. R. R for rainbow. U. U for university. F. F for fish. I. I for ink. W. W for window. C. C for cherry. J. J for jelly. O. O for oxygen. A. B. C. D. E. F. G. H. I. J. K. L. M. N. O. P. Q. R. S. T. U. V. W. X. Y. and Z. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next videos. Bye bye. Hello. Let's try to draw some 2D and 3D shapes. Parallelogram. Cube. Triangle. Cylinder. Heart. Rectangle. Let's learn some colors. red color, blue color, green color, orange color, violet color, yellow color, black color, purple color, brown color, dark blue color, dark blue color, parallelogram, dark blue color, light blue color, cube, brown color, triangle, purple color, cylinder, pink color, violet color, heart, heart, dark green color, rectangle, parallelogram, cube, triangle, cylinder, heart, rectangle. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next videos. Bye bye.